Lucas, thanks for joining us. Let's get your view on the decision, because a 100 basis point cut is certainly an aggressive one if you're looking at it on a relative basis. You're sitting with the key lending rate now at 19%. Just reading some of the commentary, it seems to be a mixed reaction from the market. But what is your thought on this 100 basis point cut?
The 100 basis point cut was expected, given that the reverse repo rate with the central bank was lowered to about 19.5%. So basically, we've seen central bank inject liquidity into the market with a view of further bringing down the rates, the interest rates. And as you can see, inflation touched 18% from 18.6% in May.
Lucas, what is the biggest threat to that inflationary picture right now? Because they are looking at a target at the end of the year where they're looking at inflation moving back into single digits. And of course, it's still at around 18%. So that's 6 months away now. What is the biggest threat that you're seeing to inflation being sticky on the downside?
To achieve the target of 5% by end of year, perhaps they corrected it to say at least the medium-term target is 5%. That is, 5% will be achievable in 2013, not by end of year, because core inflation right now is at 19.5%. The disinflationary tendency, depending on the rate at which it drops, 5% by end of year is not achieved, I would think.
What are your thoughts on how this is going to impact the shilling? Because just looking at the movements today, before and after the rate decision, pretty much unchanged. It was trading at around 2,470, 2,480. Do you think that we could see a weakening in the shilling from here on out?
Yes, we expect the shilling to weaken, although currently the activity is hampered by half-year tax payments, which are done with. So basically, we might see the shilling depreciate in the coming weeks. Yeah, that's what we actually think.
So you're looking at inflation being impacted by that weaker shilling going forward, but in the meantime, it has been stable today. But we know that the shilling hit record lows earlier on in the year. In the meantime, though, we're looking at the key lending rate sitting at 19% over in Uganda, 100 basis point cut. That was Lucas Ochieng, Treasury Manager at Orient Bank of Uganda.